Rice Lake's iDimension Flex series brings state-of-the-art dimensioning technology to shipping and logistics processes of all sizes. iDimension Flex is available in either a freestanding or ceiling-mounted configuration that can be installed above a conveyor or a pallet stretch wrapper to efficiently wrap, weigh, and dimension freight in one step. With OIML and NTEP certification, iDimension Flex captures legal for trade pallet measurements, helping to eliminate chargebacks based on reclassification. Carriers use legal for trade dimensioners to audit freight density and issue chargebacks for reclassified freight on up to 90% of freight going through their terminals. After implementing iDimension Flex to determine freight density, companies shipping just a few pallets per day begin to see a return on investment in as little as 6 months. iDimension Flex systems can easily measure freight wrapped in black plastic, clear stretch film, banded cardboard, and other common packaging materials. When dimensions are captured, iDimension Flex also captures color images for proof of shipment conditions, which can be used during damage claim processing. iDimension Flex has a comprehensive network interface for straightforward integration with your network and shipping software for simplified data tracking. iDimension Flex provides legal for trade dimensions, reliable chargeback prevention, color images for damage claims, and streamlined processes for every shipping department. Learn more about Rice Lake Weighing Systems dimensioning solutions at ricelake.com/dimensioning.